Hey everyone! Today, I've got a super useful tip, especially for all the students out there. I'm going to show you how you can get Microsoft 365 absolutely free. Yes, you heard right, free. So let's dive right in. First off, why Microsoft 365? Well, it's packed with all the tools you need for your studies, from Word for your essays, Excel for data management, to PowerPoint for those all-important presentations. But the real kicker, it usually comes with a hefty price tag. Now, here's the scoop on how to get it for free. If you're currently a student or even a teacher, you're in luck. Microsoft offers a completely free version of their 365 suite to students and educators. The only requirement, you need a valid school email address. That's it. So, how do you get it? Just head over to Microsoft's Office 365 education page, enter your school email and follow the instructions. Microsoft will send you an email. Once you confirm it, you're all set to download and install the suite. Now keep in mind, this isn't a stripped-down version. We're talking about the full suite, totally free. It's a part of Microsoft's commitment to education. And it doesn't just stop at the basics. You also get access to extra goodies like Microsoft Teams, which can be super handy for group projects or virtual classes. But what if you're not a student or teacher? Well, there are still some options. You could opt for the 1-month free trial of Microsoft 365. Sure, it's only a month, but it can help you in a pinch. Just remember to cancel before the trial period ends if you decide it's not for you. Lastly, keep an eye on your school's software offerings. Some educational institutions offer additional software benefits that might not be widely advertised. So there you have it. Whether you're writing essays, crunching data, or preparing presentations, Microsoft 365 can be a game changer for your educational journey. And getting it for free makes it even better. Make sure to take advantage of these tips and spread the word to your fellow students. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Catch you in the next one.